Okay. Now what we got here is I have what may or may not be a beer taped to that there pole. I'll zoom in a bit and you can see it. I got this here 66 Power Master 177 caliber 4.5 millimeter BB gun. Okay. I got to pump 10 times, it ain't nothing to fuck with. Now I'm gonna shoot that can. Y'all heard of shotgunning, okay? What is called BB gun. I'm gonna shoot that can right through its heart. I'm gonna run down there, drink it through the hole, and be drunk. May or may not be drunk. Okay. Now let me zoom in a little bit for you. Let me zoom in for you. Okay. You want to zoom in down there? You see that? Don't you see the bear? There's a bear. Okay. Now, I'm going to try and get this first try. I am a marksman, but you know, sometimes we all miss. I ain't going to miss this, I'll tell you what. Okay. Safety off. I shot it at the top. Alright, fuck it. He's done. Okay. Now that was a BB gun. Okay, so I'll tell you a story about this one time we was camping down in Bear Creek. And they said, there ain't no bears in Bear Creek. I said, why do you think they call it Bear Creek, okay? So we go down Bear Creek. 3 bears. One was white, one was brown, and one was purple. They come flying out of the fucking woods. No kidding, flying out of the woods. Eats my friend's head. And I said, hey, what did I tell you? You know? I mean, you can't come down here with that kind of mindset. Like it's, you know, it's called Bear Creek, you know? And it was kind of a sad day, but I mean, he shouldn't have said that. I mean, that's his. See, he got what he asked for there. All right. So that was a BB gun.